listen to the lower register and tell me if you could articulate anything else about any characteristic of the lower register once it gets going.
One, two, 1, 2. La da da dee da da dum da da dee da dum da dum. And then the second line goes a little bit higher. Da dee da dum da 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 dee da da dee da dum.
What I really wanted to do today is to get straight in and to teach you some of the fingering techniques for the first tune. So 4, 3, 2. So as I play my 2, my 4 is going back on.
So the whole purpose of these sessions every day is to talk to a living master, somebody who's steeped in the tradition, to see how you can give us a bit of style in our own playing and help us to turn our dusty manuscript pages back into living music.
There's 7 parts in the tune, and with this tune you can play the regulators with every single part in the tune, which is it's kind of an indicator that it was definitely composed for the uilleann pipes.
Now, our picture comes from Walker's Irish Bard, 1786, and this is possibly the first illustration of the harp after it had been donated to Trinity College.
And we did a 3D scan. We also did a full systematic photographic survey in visible and ultraviolet light. We took a endoscope into the sound box. We did some microscopy.
We welcome all of our old friends, some of whom I see here already. And we particularly welcome our new friends who've been able to join us because we're online this year. So thank you so much for being with us.
Okay, we'll see you all in the tea room.